G'day YouTube, JB from Oz. So a really quick workshop update. I have now got a small piece of easy sheet solder, silver solder, and some borax for doing some jewellery repairs. Got this little bangle that my wife owns that she's asked me to have a look at. So that will be my first attempt at playing with silver. Also, we have a box of goodies that's arrived from AJS. So we've got a box of wax sprue foam, a catalogue. We've got some green flake casting wax, and we've got some heavier grade sprue, thick and medium, and some more wax. This one is the blue wax, and I believe this is smooth glossy surface, easy release, very flexible and pliable. So that and these waxes will come together with our little turkey baster that we got the other week for injection of wax. So all that will have the ability to make multiple parts with the hot wax, sprue it up onto a tree, and we've got some investment plaster down here, which means we can start to play with investment casting. And I've also got some calcium carbonate powder, which is for parting out. And of course the resin bonded silica sand as another option for casting. But we're slowly getting there. I think I'm still needing some, what is it? Silicone. Not silicone, yes, mould silicone. So if anybody's got any thoughts about what a good mould silicone is to use, the goal will be to 3D print the parts on the resin printer, make a silicone mould, use the injector to inject up a number of parts, make a tree, and then cast them. And I'm working with Emma on a couple of things, one of which is, of course, the con rod for the Stuart 400, amongst other things. Anyway, really quick update. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.